Now they're gonna collide.
There are no rules. This will be blood.
John Cena's just getting intense on Bowser. I have a question.
Is DDD dead?
Well, it's not about Kirby Captain, but what happened? DDD ever shows up in WWE?
I saw some pretty gnarly snow under that ring earlier.
He could bring a giant hammer and beat up wrestlers. This giant hammer, the one that came from Superman's Brawl, is made of 1,000 volt machine. Yep, it's a machine inside there. No, DDD's hammer. It's a... John Cena's just doing some kind of leg drop. John Cena doing the FP on Bowser.
Is Bowser back?
Nope, he's big and tough.
Here's a ball.
Oh wow! Bowser just got more suckier.
My goodness. Is there anyone better?
I guess he watched too much Sesame Street. I can't believe it. I know, pretty funny, huh? I know. Well, Spino. I'll see you on the next episode. Take care, bro.
And that win gives it from
I hope you enjoyed it, fans. Mario and John Cena, Nintendo and WWE colliding together. Woo! It's just a joke.